Hey guys, it's Steve Innes. Hey, I've got a great tip for you today. Do you ever get things stuck? Inside your hose? Well, I've come up with a great idea. Like I was doing some vacuuming on the floor, and some stuff got stuck in there, which I got out already. I've already got out, and I've got to bend down because the way the camera's set up. I've got a great way of getting anything debris stuck. Sometimes you get lumps of wood stuck in there and it labours. So I'll see if I can endeavour to take the video of what I'm doing. Okay, I'll walk back here. Okay, so I've got it set out in the length. I've got this. I bought this from Aldi, and it's a thing that you put in your plumbing pipes to get things caught. If anything's caught, it gets them out of the plumbing pipes. It's flexible. So you just feed it in the end. Keep feeding it. And then you get the crank bit up here, and you wind it. And as you wind it, whoops, goes through. Let's see there. And you can see it pops out the end like that. When I did it before, see if we can do this. When we did it before, that was caught inside the hose. But this thing is really good. You just twist it and it gets out any of the debris in the hose. So there's today's tip.